Da 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 knock, baby. Danang, Việt Nam. Việt Nam, oh Việt Nam, yeah yeah yeah, Việt Nam, Danang, Việt Nam. Do you know where you are? You're in Danang, baby. Danang, Việt Nam. That's where you going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 da, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang oh dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang.
Okay, so this is kind of a popular area. There's a lot more to it, but these are going to be streets number 1 and 2. They're named An Thuong 2, An Thuong 1. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to go down this way, and we're going to go around the block and come out over here, and then we'll end at the beach. So let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we're in Danang, Vietnam, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. So that's the location in Vietnam, and we're going to be exploring all these different streets, and this particular street is going to be there. Let's get right into it as if you're there yourself. This is actually a pretty big neighborhood. Getting a little dark. We're going to do our best to film it before it gets too dark. Let me just see here. Kind of market, coffee shop, DNG coffee shop. I think this one right here is let's walk down this way. This one is Labu. So Labu is a lot of people would sit outside in this area. Oh, there's a cool dog. Okay. So I'm gonna keep on walking down. Here's a Chinese one, Mayflower, American Chinese restaurant. Even has a like American takeout box. Okay. Mexican grill, adobo. Let's see on this side, got a tattoo parlor, gifts, and this one the Mexican grill. Waffle House, cigar lounge, Happy Mart. Here's a food truck. And kind of one of the things we're doing today is just kind of documenting, because I think this whole area is going to change quite a bit. Cigar shop, Happy Mart, pharmacy, spa, nail shop. There's several nail shops. Small little kitchen, Dan's kitchen. Kaylin's drink and food. Has burgers. Has okay, nails, crepes, smoothies. This side we have jewelry over here. A Balkan restaurant. Rice kitchen, Bikini Bottom. I think that one is American Diner. Got a spa on that side. So Bikini Bottom, it's like American hamburgers and such like that. Japanese beer, sake, looks like a Japanese one. Poke bowls. Then we also have a New York pizza on the left and a baguette as well. And ice cream cones. There's New York pizza. So let's go around the corner. We'll see what's on number 1, An Thuong. I think that one. So An Thuong goes down there quite a long ways, but we're going to be walking this way towards the beach. So we did one video. We did 3 and 4, and now we're doing 1 and 2. And those are kind of the 4 main ones. And they're a little bit kind of a pedestrian street, because a lot of times in most of Vietnam you end up on the road with the traffic. So these 4 little streets still have cars on them, but you can walk down the middle. Feels okay. Got hotels, Angel Hotel. So we've got some live music down here. So this would be good. Pancake shop. And we're about 1 block away from the beach in this area. Let's see, Plant Space, Roots Plant-Based Cafe. Oceans Hotel. Palm Pizza, got another pizza place. We had New York Pizza. Palm Pizza. So yeah, you can generally walk in the middle of the street. There are cars parked in here, but it looks like this thing in front is music. Here's Moon Milk. Cool name. Okay. Boutique to the. So let's see what this is all about. I missed a couple spots over here. It says faux. Looks like it's setting up for live music. Sunday night. Country barbecue over here. Mini Mart. Let's see. Got shops over here. Hotels. And this one's Country Barbecue. Okay, let's keep on going down. Sky Bar, so there's a Sky Bar in this particular one. Marine Sky Bar. Let me just take a look at this real quick. Marine Sky Bar in there. Okay, so we're gonna just go a little bit further. Hello. There's another pizza place, Bello Pizza. Okay. Straight down this way is the beach. And there's so much music that my video is already affected by the other one, so not gonna worry about that one too much. But the An Thuong is basically kind of where all the expats are moving to. It's kind of windy here. Okay. A little bit windy. It's a little bit cold. Today's a Sunday. The temperature is let me see. Some shirts there. And the beach is right there. So I don't know if you can see it from here. Let's see what we're at. 7.5 minutes? Okay. So the beach is straight ahead. And this says An Thuong tourist streets. And the road looks a little bit challenging to cross. But we want to end it over there. So we will. See if we can get across okay. Let's see if I can. Okay, so straight ahead is the beach. So that neighborhood is basically connected to the beach. And the waves look really high. Really, really high. Dang, it's crazy. Okay. So we were basically right in that, right behind us, that building right there. Wow, this water is kind of eroded all the way down that way. There's a few people surfing as well.